Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make letters transparent in Canva. I'm going to show you the simple method to make any text box to be transparent, and also later I will demonstrate on how to create this fading text effect in Canva without using any third-party tool or third-party apps in the platform. With that said, let's get into it. Alright, the simplest way to make any text box or any text to be transparent is by clicking or selecting the text box. You can select multiple text boxes if you want, and after that you can click on the transparency menu right here, and then you can adjust the transparency and it will reveal the background of the text. If you set it to 0, it's going to be fully transparent. Now you probably have a question: can you make just one or a few letters from the text box to be transparent? Well, the answer is no, it's not possible. You can select it, but it's not going to apply the setting only to the selected text. It is impossible. One way to one workaround that you can do is by creating another text box. Let's say I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to make the letter G to be transparent. So I'm going to remove everything, just leave G, and on the original text box, I'm going to remove G. And yeah, just adjust the position, and I'm going to put it here. So after that, I'm going to go to transparency and reduce the transparency on this particular letter. That's the only way that is possible. So yeah, it's not perfect, but if you are okay with that, you can actually repeat the process over and over again until you can get a nice fading effect. Or you can also use a different method that I'm about to show you. Okay, let me undo the process. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for elements. Go to element and search for transparent gradient, and go to graphics. And after that, I'm going to select, let's say, this effect, this gradient, and I'm going to apply it to the right side of the text box. So I'm going to rotate that, and maybe I'm going to reduce it a bit. Okay, but of course there is a problem. It's actually located at the back of the text. We want to put it at the top, so you have to right click on it and go to layer and bring to front or bring forward. Now of course this is not good because the color is black. We need something that is similar to the background color, which in this case the red background. So what you need to do is you have to click on this gradient graphic, click edit, and go to duotone, click custom, and on the highlights I'm going to click on this color picker. I'm going to select the background. I'll do the same for the shadow as well. I'm going to use the color picker tool and click the background, and I'm going to leave the intensity at 100%. So we got this almost like every letter is getting transparent, and eventually it fades. You can adjust the size, you can also make it longer if you want, and it's going to create this nice fading text effect in Canva without using any plugin or any third-party tool. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.